Hi, my name is Avinash Karnani. I'm the co-founder of Magic Minds. We are the Microsoft Office Specialist Authorized Testing Center in India. I have 20 plus years of computer training expertise. This online course is very simple to understand and designed as per the Microsoft syllabus. Whether you're a student, professional, employer, or employee, entrepreneur, or homemaker, this course is perfect for you. The entire course is divided into 56 plus video lectures consisting of question and answers. So by solving these questions, you're automatically learning all that you need to know. There is a study guide given to you, which has all the question and answers along with the practice files, which you can download. It's a fantastic way of learning. While you watch the video lectures, the files that appear in the video, you could open the same files on your computer and simultaneously practice while watching the videos. If at any time you need any clarifications about any concepts, you can always post your question in the question and answer section, or you can send me a WhatsApp on 98204-87192. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today.